We've been through a few hurricanes in Orlando, with Charlie and some of the other hurricanes. It ends up being a lot about water extractions because we have to get to the homes quick. There's usually a lot of homes or a lot of businesses that we're extracting. Just all hands on deck for probably that week. I started with Stanley Steemer in 1981. I've actually, on and off, have been with them 40 years. Come into some of the homes and a lot of the customers are pretty distraught because they've got water everywhere. And I go in there and I assess what needs to be done as far as, the main thing is extracting the water out of the home. When I go in there, I do it's called moisture mapping. So what I'll do is I'll check the walls to see what walls have gotten wet, what cabinets have gotten wet, and then we'll set dehumidifiers and air movers to dry out the home. Our advantage is we have a lot of vehicles that we can put on the road and get things done on a timely manner. But we do work closely with a lot of insurance companies, and we have to really be on the ball. We have to follow certain guidelines and certain SLAs to make sure we're doing good for them. The important thing is to get there on property as soon as possible. Big purpose behind that is so that once we get it to what's called dry standard, we've reduced any chance of the home getting any mold in it. I have to know all these different protocols to make sure that when we do a mold remediation job, that everything's under a containment, everything's safe for the homeowner. I had to get state licensed to know to do that, so I've had my license for about 20 years. We are a 24/7 water extraction company, which means if it's in the middle of the night, we have to go out and we're going to take care of it.
If you're ready for a professional cleaning, you can book your service today by clicking the link below.
Stanley Steemer gets your